to define these people in the picture above, I bet you would say that one is a black person and the other is a white. And I can understand why you think that, obviously because of their external features. The external feature that you will probably notice is skin color. I also bet that you think these two people are 50% different, but you may not know that these two people are actually less than 1% different from one another. Have you ever thought about what actually makes us different? Well, our body is made up of cells. We each have about 37.2 trillion cells in the human body, and those cells make up everything from our hair to our skin to our heart. Those cells are also made up of genes. Genes determine what traits you're going to get from your parents. Genes are also made up of DNA. DNA determines how well your cells are going to live and function together. Hold on, let me make this a little clearer for you. This is 1,000 block. It represents 1,000 genes. Now this is 25,000 blocks. It represents the 25,000 genes that make up your body. This represents all the ways that we are similar to each other. In this jar, I have 227 of those genes. This represents the very small differences there are between people. National Geographic tells us that in approximately the year 2050, there will be only one race. That's how similar we all are. Last year, my friend was getting bullied because of her race. And this was by people who she thought were her best friends. This is by people who she thought were her best friends. I've also seen older kids pick on younger kids because of race as well, and I don't understand. Basically, people treating other people differently based on a 1% difference doesn't seem too smart to me. I'm here to challenge you to think about when you're choosing your friends. What are the characteristics you would look for? If I was looking for a friend, I would look into the audience and say, raise your hand if you think you're funny. I would like to be your friend. Now raise your hand if you think you're kind and caring. I would like to be your friend. You don't base your friendships on characteristics, on external features like skin color and background. Now can we all please agree to start looking internally instead of externally? Thank you.